So hi, I'm Yoav. I work at Finout. We're here at KubeCon Amsterdam 2023 having fun. When you want to pick the right cost monitoring, cost reduction solution, the first thing you want to ask yourself is, what's my main challenge? What's really the problem I'm trying to solve? Is it reducing 10% of my cost? Or is it understanding what's going on? Is it cost allocation? How much my team is spending? Cost governance? Is it something a little bit more advanced on the FinOps world regarding profitability elements? Each of those questions has sometimes different answers. So usually the right place to start is by my observability solution to really understand what's going on, how much you're paying and what you're paying. It's also about your data warehouse, your CDN, your observability platform like a New Relic, those also cost money. Then you need to manage it. You need to do cost allocation. You need to tag per application, per feature, per team. You need a solution that will help you do that at scale, multi-cloud, multi-tenancy solution. And then you get into the cost reduction and optimization. So reducing waste, optimizing, hopefully giving your developers insight they can use, and reducing waste from day one and consistently continue to do so. And the last thing I also recommend is diving into reporting, like advanced reporting, customizable reporting that you can save a lot of time and Excel on, and getting the right answers to the right people, like the board, the CEO, the CFO, so getting finance off your back. And with that, and also getting advanced answers regarding the profitability element. So who's the most profitable customer? Why is the most profitable customer? Who's the least one? And then why he is so not profitable, how we need to change it, how we need to build our product better. If you got that, you got completely covered. Hopefully that helped, and if you need help in each and every one of those kind of elements, you can reach out to Finout that does completely end-to-end FinOps multi-tool solution across the board, across the multi-cloud, Kubernetes agnostic, or any other service data warehouse. Enjoy and have a great day.
Can you follow